To fix Windows 11 download stuck at 0%, 25%, or 100%, click in Windows Search, type Services and select Run as Administrator. In the Services window, scroll down and find Windows Update. Right-click it and click on Stop. Now, look for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right-click it and select Stop. Once both services are stopped, press Windows+R on your keyboard. Copy-paste the following location I have mentioned in the description. Then press Enter. Open the download folder. Select all the files and folders inside the download folder and delete them. Make sure you are only deleting the files inside the download folder. Do not delete the Windows folder. Once the files are deleted, return to the Services window. Right-click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service and click on Start. Then right-click on Windows Update and click on Start. If you see Restart option, then click on that. Now simply click on Start and restart your computer. After your computer restarts, check for Windows updates again. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. If you still need help, you can contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. See you in the next video.